sparrow, cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding on the beat.
Yes sir, we back. Y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84 Cutty, man, aka Built on the Budget Junior. Man, they came outside right quick, man. Y'all know I've been in the house, boy. It's been cold, man, down south, bro. Hey, but man, we been in the house. Sparrow been outside. Yeah, he been outside in the weather. Yes sir. Hey man, hey, this a man. Y'all see it. We out here. Y'all see it kinda. Y'all see it been raining. Been raining and junk. Yeah. We ain't been out here doing nothing. Look. Dash in the sand spot. My door ain't even unlocked. Yeah. Hey man. I wanna see if this joker gonna start up. So yeah, YouTube, man, you know, it's been about 7 days since I've been out here, since I last shot that short, man. My old lady been moving the car. This car been sitting right here since that day. It's been cold out here, freezing. But, hey, feeling a little nice today. Especially like this time of the day right now. It feel good out here. So, man, let's go ahead and start them up, man. You know what I mean? Let some fluids run through them and stuff like that, man. See what it sounds like. I hope it started up, because I don't even know if my battery dead. Like I said, I ain't even been out here. If y'all don't believe me, man, look. Y'all know when y'all see that dirt way up there, it been raining and all that. Y'all know the car been sitting right here. Gotta wash Sparrow off, man. But yeah, man. Let's see if Sparrow start up, man, and see what else. Alright? Cut y'all back on. Y'all know what time it is. Somebody PCS. Somebody got them orders. They get on out here, goddamn. Yes, sir. Shoot, this right here be the test right here. Shoot, if we open the door and we see some light. Okay. So we do got some kind of battery juice, some kind of life in you. What up, Sparrow? What up with your bow? No, y'all gotta talk to your car, you know. Oh no, I forget. Let me do this part right here too. Again. Pop this hood. Y'all know we gotta pop that hood. Pop the hood. Yes, sir. Little 4.8. The 4.8 that could. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Man, it kind of dark out here now, man, but y'all know what it is. Still got some wiring to clean up, man. I ain't did nothing, man. Like I said, man, I ain't even been outside. Hey, how Mr. Built said, my life is strictly recreational. If I don't feel like doing it, I ain't gonna do it. That's just how it is. But man, let's go ahead and start this car, man. Well, attempt. See if it start up. We about to see. Alright? And y'all gonna see with me. Okay. God dang. That joker bust off this now, huh? Yes, sir. Big Sparrow out here in these streets. boy. I ain't even I ain't even had no charge on this battery or nothing, man. And we been having weather in the teens, bro. And I ain't cranked this car in 7 days. That joker fire right up. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Look how it is sitting and they running. Big LS. 4.8. eBay wire and harness. Tahoe gauge cluster. Talk to me. Big photo. Y'all hear him out here. Y'all see them tail light LED out here? Yes, sir. Big LED out here. Oh yeah, I forget that LED side marker right there. Man, I gotta get that dang on light right. That light used to work. What happened to it? That light was just working. Boy, I tell you, that light was just working now. Yes, sir. Big sparrow. Big sparrow out here in these streets. Boy, hey, we probably can get some posi out the Sparrow today. Let's see if we can get some posi out of him. And we gonna have to hurry up, but I don't think Sparrow got no gas in him. Well, y'all, no posi. Posi ain't kick in, but y'all saw that smoke he left. Well, I guess that's it. eBay wire and harness for the win. Y'all see Big Sparrow cut up out here, crank up out here, all that. Big smoke. One tire, one wheel. I thought he been gonna give me posi because I thought the road been wet. But y'all saw when that joke got locked in, all that smoke he left. Hey, if you haven't already, man, please make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells, man. Y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84 Cutty, man, and we out. Y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84. Back one more game. Hey, how many y'all out there got an old school and all you wanna do is just ride? It don't matter where you ride. You just wanna ride. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
do it, just ride. Hey, well, if you feel me, put your hands in the air and whip it from side to side.